Hello student, welcome to next lecture of mobile application development. From today we start the chapter 4, that is designing user interface with Vue. Okay, this chapter have 12 marks and this is our first lecture. So let's start. In this lecture we see first text view and then we see the edit view. Okay, as we see various components in advanced Java, similarly in Android we see the various component and how it can create in Android Studio. Okay, so these are the learning outcome of today's video. First we start with text view. Okay, so first text view display text to the user and optionally allow them to edit. Okay, so basically text view is like label, it used to display the message. Okay, but in Java label is not label is passive component and it is not edited by end user. Okay, but text view may be edited by the end user. Okay, as per your configuration or as you mention the attributes editable true, that time user can edit that text. Okay, second point, the text view is a complete text editor. However, the basic class is configured to not allow editing. So basically it is not for editing, but by using editable attribute we can set the text view as a editable. Okay, the next point, view is the parent class of text view. Okay, so all components have view as a parent class. Okay, we can create a text view instance by declaring it in a layout, that is XML file, or by instanting in programmatically in Java class. Okay, so two way we can create a text view. First way, by XML file. In XML file we already see in the how we can create in practical, and by creating text view object of text view class we can create in Java file also. Okay, Java file में भी code run कर सकते हैं और XML में भी. Okay, so by any one way we can create the text view. Okay, so this is about text view. Then very important part, there are various attributes of every component. So we see text view attributes. First attributes is very common and it is for every layouts and every component, Android ID. Okay, so this is ID which uniquely identify the control. Okay, so in simple word, ID means name of the attributes. If I create 3 or 4 text view, that time every text view have different name. Text view 1, text view 2, text view 3. By this way we can give the name to the text view. Okay, so for that we use the first attribute. Then Android text. Okay, so student remember this format also. First is Android in small letter and then colon and then attributes name. Okay, and then every attributes have some value. How we can declare that we see an example. Okay, second attribute text. Okay, in this attribute we write the text that you want to display on screen. Okay, अगर मुझे कोई message देना है welcome to Android, that time I write the welcome to Android in this attribute. Okay. Then next attributes is Android editable. Okay, if it is set true, then specifies that this text view have an input method. Okay, so if you set this editable attributes is true, that time user can edit the text view. Okay, by default it is false. Okay, the next attribute is Android cursor visible. So cursor visible, make the cursor visible or invisible. Okay, the default value is false. Okay, so this value may be true or false. If you set value true, then cursor is visible, or if you pass false, that time it is invisible, and by default it is false. The next attribute, Android hint. Hint text to display when the text is empty. Okay, if you pass some text here, that time it display in light in your text view. Simple, I create one text view and inside that I create one hint, enter your name below. Okay, so that time it display in that text view. The next, Android input type, the type of the data being placed in the text field. Okay, text field or text view, phone, data, time, number, password. Okay, so you can set according to requirement input type. Then Android password, whether the character of field are displayed as a password dots instead of themselves, possible value either true or false. If you pass true, then it is display the text or character in dot that see like password. Okay, dot or dot value. Okay, if you pass false, then it display the characters. Okay, so these are some attributes. Next attribute, Android phone number. If set means the value of this is true, then specify that this text view has phone number input method. Okay, so phone number input method, possibly value are true or false. Okay, then Android text color may be color value in form of okay, these are the various different values of colors. Okay, so you can set any one from the color, or you can pass the name of the color that you want to display for the text. Okay, then Android text size of the text view, recommended dimension type for the text is SP. Okay, for scaled pixel. Okay, example 15 SP. Okay, so text size set करने के लिए we use this attributes. Next one, Android text style. Okay, so this attribute is used to set the style of the text, that is maybe bold italic or bold italic. You can use or more of the following values separated by or operator. Normal for to display normal 0, for bold 1, and for italic 2. So these are the various attributes of text view. Here I display one example of text view, how we can create a text view in XML. Okay, so this is code for text view. Okay, simple, write this code in text view. Here here we define the various attributes. First is ID. So ID, here we define the name text. Okay, you can set any name, take T1, T2, T3. Okay, text 1, text 2. So this is ID of your text view. Next one, layout width, layout height, and text. Okay, width and height is wrap content, and text. This text is displayed in the text view. We can define number of attributes as per your requirement. Here I simple give the example of how we can create the text view. In practical, we see in first practical to display hello world. In that program we can create one text view to display the hello world. Okay, so this is about text view. Next component or view is edit view. Okay, in Android, edit text is a user interface control. Edit text control which is used to allow the user to enter or modify the text. Okay, so in Java we see the text field. Similarly, here is the text view. Okay, we can enter the text in that component. While using edit text control in our Android application, we need to specify the type of data the text field can accept using the input type attributes. Okay, so by using this attribute input type, we can set the type of data in edit text. For example, if it accepts the plain text, then we need to specify the input type as a text. Okay, so input type is one attributes of edit view. Okay, in case if the edit text field is for password, then we need to specify the input type as a text password. Okay, so according to our requirement, we specify the attribute of edit view. In Android, edit text control is an extended version of text view control with additional features, and it is used to allow user to enter input value. So this is about edit view. Then here we have some attributes and description of the edit view. First attribute is Android auto text. Okay, if we set this attribute, then it specifies that this text view has a textual input method and automatically correct some comma spelling errors. Okay, so it can it can automatically correct the spelling if you set auto text true. Then Android drawable bottom, this is drawable to draw below the text. Okay, Android drawable right, this is drawable to we draw to right of the text. Okay. Next attribute, Android editable. If it is set, then specify the text view has an input method. Okay. And next, Android text. Android text. This is used to display the text. Next one, Android background. This is drawable to use the background. To set the background, we use this attribute. Content description. This defines the text that briefly describe content of the view. Then Android ID. This supplies an identifier name for this view. Then onClick. This is the name of the method in this view's content to invoke when the view is clicked. Okay. And last one, visibility. This control the initial visibility of the view. Okay, that means if you want to set visibility, that time we use this attribute. So there are many attributes. We see the basic commonly used attributes in our lecture. Okay, next, here is one example. Edit text is you can create edit view by using edit text. Okay, and then here are some attributes of the edit text. Okay, first one, ID, then width, height, text, and gravity. So if you type this, then output is displayed like this. Okay, thank you.